Waves, welcome back to Breezy's World. I'm Breezy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the perfect swoop slick ponytail. And my hair is washed, but it still smells like the bonfire. Fire. It's stank, y'all. It's disgusting. But anywho, we're gonna just act like that does not exist. So I'm going to mist my hair. It's already a little damp, but the top is getting kind of dry, as you can see. So I'm just going to spray that mug up real quick. And I'm using Dream Kids leave-in conditioner for my detangler. I really suck when it comes to parting my hair. So I like to use my nose for guidance, but even then, I still jack up the part. And I don't know why I was trying to get this part so perfect, because when I wear my hair in the swoop, you can't even see this part. So this part doesn't even matter, but whatever. Okay, so you're gonna part your hair horizontally. And depending on how big you want this swoop to be, you're gonna pull it to the front. So you're gonna bring that part to the front of your head. I like doing this technique better than just doing a regular side part. To me, there's really a difference. And I've been doing this technique since I was in high school. And all the girls used to ask, Breezy, how do you get your swoop so perfect? Well, girls, 12 years later, here's the answer. I'm using Wet Line Extreme for the gel to hold my hair in place. I feel like I'm a traitor using this, but I used to use this years ago before Eco Styler, and now I kind of feel like I like this better than Eco Styler. I don't know. Those are two good gels right there. I am using this black scrunchy hair tie. Go to your local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure they have them. This will change your life. I love this damn hair tie. So to the hardest part of the hair tutorial, it's not really hard, but it's the hardest part, y'all. You're gonna want to smooth this part so that it blends well with the rest of your hair that's already slicked into the ponytail. Whew, my arms is on swole mode. Jeez. This is what it's like trying to make videos while being a mother. Kids always want to interrupt. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.